Hey, it's Paul Turner again from the Master Plan Affiliates. In this video, I want to talk you through an onboarding process for new customers that we are implementing to help one, look after your new customer. So if you're in an online business, think back to when you join a business. It's usually kind of overwhelming, and a lot of people they're short on time and attention spans these days are shorter. They just kind of want to know what to do, where to go. So that's one reason. Another reason is we want people to stay, right? We want retention. And then we want to be able to get duplication. So if you're in a network marketing type deal, or maybe something where there's two tiers, especially um, you want to make sure that your customers can onboard their customers with a process that works. And then also another reason is it saves a lot of questions. Over the years, one of the things I suffered from is, where do I find this? How do I do that? If you get it all in one page and you send them to one page, there's no reason why they should be asking those questions. So let me share with you what we've done now. I need to talk about a particular business to show you why this works for that particular business. If you want to see what it is, you don't have to join. But if you kind of want to check it out and see, then if you go to what one do you use? You can go to getyouraisidehustle.com, getyouraisidehustle.com. So this business is cutting edge because of the AI it's using, and this is why it's kind of, in my view, hot right now. But I want to, this video isn't really about that, it's about this page. So when somebody joins, the first level is gold. So this is where they come in. And so we've got a new gold member, right? So it's like Austin Powers, doesn't it? Gold member. Right. So our brand, if you like, we are the Master Plan Affiliates, and it's headed up by me and Eric Green, but we make our stuff available to our members, right? And then they can use it as well. So it kind of, we're doing the work here based on our experience and all the highs and lows that we've had over the years, but we kind of pretty much know what works now. So we got a massive welcome and a fast start guide, we're calling it. So somebody comes in and we share some results. Now, the reason for this isn't to entice anybody. It's not, an income claim or a guarantee. Okay, but what we found over the years is giving results adds to your credibility. Now, they don't have to be your results, they could be team results. So, me and Eric, we are quite happy to make our results available to the team. So, this kind of says why you should listen to us, in effect, right? If you want to make some money online, okay, then we've done quite well in a few things because we follow a process and a system, and this is part of the thing that we would generally do is have some sort of onboarding process. So there's some figures there that we've done, okay, and then we've got a fast start video. Now, if I just sort of skip forward a little bit, the owner of the business is a guy called Neil Guess.
Cool.
And me and Eric, we think we're like Uber. Uber don't own any cars. Probably the biggest taxi firm in the world don't own a single car. I think they do own some now, don't they? But Airbnb, they don't own the buildings; they just rent them out. Um, that's how we see ourselves. We don't own the business. Neil owns the business, but we can take part and sell his business for him and get a cut of the commission. So what we did is we asked Neil if he'd be willing to come on, and he's a great guy. He's a very good owner of a business. I tell you, he goes out of his way to try and help people. So we made a video with him. Why? Because he can tell you he's been doing the business over 10 years. He owns the business for over 10 years. He knows what successful affiliates do, and he tells people in this video what successful affiliates do to make money in Power Lead System. Also, there's another reason is because it kind of brands me and Eric. It associates us, it proves that we are promoting the Power Lead System. Okay. So then we encourage people to go to the welcome video in the back office, just so they're getting kind of maybe that fuller picture. We have communities set up to help and support. The Power Lead System have their own, and then we have our own with the Master Plan affiliates as well. So you can go and you can join there, and you're all part of a big team. Community is big online, so that's good. Now, step three, Neil explains in the video above why you might want to reach out to him and talk to him, because he's there to help. So some businesses you join, it's like get your free coaching session and you're just going to be sold, right? You just know you're going to be sold. And that's another reason why we wanted to get on with Neil, because you're not going to be sold here, right? The aim of the call is to help, okay? Discuss your needs and what you need and how that can happen, right? And yes, there is another option, but that can be explained by the owner of the business without any pressure whatsoever, as explained in that video at the top up there, right? And by the way, guys, I don't know if you've been around a while, but how many businesses do you get where the owner will actually reach out and speak to your customers? It's amazing, right? So then we want our people to understand the compensation plan. We want them to know what they're getting into. We want them to know how much they can earn. And that video explains that. I've just recorded this today, how to win with a power lead system, use these insights to build a great business. And I share some secret sauce. It's not secret actually, it's just kind of experience, common sense, ways of positioning this so people can understand how it works. So I do that to help people win. Okay. And again, another reason why we put the results at the top. Why would you listen to me unless you knew that I could get results online? Then we're talking about people booking a solo ad. Why? Because this business is working with solo ads. It's freaking amazing. I did 100 clicks. I actually got six. That's the best, six sales, right? I've had people getting two, people getting three. That seems to be about the average, probably two and a half, three. Okay. But very, very good. But not everybody wants to do solo ads. So we have social media and we've written social media posts. We put it all together for people. So, and it only work that they're designed to work with this. Then we have live support sessions. Okay. I need to put a link on this one. Okay. But there's how you get to the company do a fast start training every week. So I need to put a link on that one. Then we've put some bonuses together that are going to help you expand beyond this. 300 ways to make money with ChatGPT. And you can use Power Lead System with that product. Solo ads, right? Now, if you just want to get up and going, you can be set up and running seriously with a solo ad in less than 10 minutes with this company. Even if you're brand new, it's amazing, right? But then what happens is you're probably going to want to learn a bit more. We've given you a course. Okay. And there are other ones in there. I won't go over it, but there's a YouTube thing in there. I've got an X thing that used to be Twitter. I've got an X marketing product I brought. I might put that in. Okay. I've got the license to be able to put it in, by the way. Right. And then this is what I'm driving at the start of the video. You can share this exact system. So you imagine me and Eric, we put a lot of work into putting this together. We got Neil on, we recorded the video. I finished at about 9:15 last night. Okay, after a full day, working online. But I wanted to get that done. And the reason why I was so keen to get that done is I know that all of my customers, all of Eric's customers are taken care of inside the Master Plan Affiliates. They've got everything they need, right? Everything they need. And then we even tell you how to get this to your customers. So if you were to join us today, can you see now you've got a complete system. You've got the sales funnel set up for you, the sales page set up for you, the automated follow-up done for you. And when I say done for you, a lot of people say that, but what you have to do is you have to go and get Aweber or GetResponse or something, another autoresponder. You don't have to do any of that here. It's all built in. It's all built in. It's amazing, right? So you got the actual infrastructure all built for you. It's been proven to work with solo ads, so we give you solo ad resources that are proven to work with this, right? And I won't say proven to work with every business under the sun because it's as much about the business sometimes, but it's proven to work with this and specially written sales pages to work with those solo ad providers. So you've got the infrastructure, you've got the traffic, you've got the follow-up done for you, you've got the support done for you with the Power Lead system, and you've got the onboarding document now with extra resources and bonuses given to you to take this to the next level. Now, I hope this inspires you if you're in a business to do something similar, because this is one of the secrets to our success. Everybody knows what they're doing. Everybody's clear. And maybe if you're in a network marketing business, this would be a great thing to do for your customers and your team. Anyway, I hope you found that useful onboarding process. It works great. Catch you soon.